Hello Forex traders, I'm going to share something to you that is going to blow your mind, that will change the way you trade. Okay, not just the way you trade and the way you lose money in the Forex market. So a few prop firms are doing this right now. Just few prop firms that doesn't want you to lose money, and I'm going to tell you guys about the prop firm is Consummate Traders. Okay, but I'm going to tell you guys this, and I want you guys to apply it because it's making me stay profitable for the past few weeks right now. This is about your leverage. Okay, I want to talk about it because I know most of you guys are doing this the wrong way. So coming right here, this is on Exness. If you're using it, then you should know it. It's a broker. So we're talking about the leverages which your broker gives you. Okay, they may give you from this to that. Okay, right? So this is the one you should go for. 1 to 50 is what I use, and I'm seeing a lot of results using this one. And your Forex mentors, many of them aren't going to tell you to use 1 to 50. Okay, now on the propfirm account which I'm using with them is Consummate Traders. They're using 1 to 50. Why? This propfirm was designed by a Forex trader who understands the game. So why is the person using 1 to 50? Why is the propfirm using 1 to 50? Meaning that they understand what it is all about and they don't want you to lose money, which is Consummate Traders. So coming right here, if you go as low as using the highest one, the more vulnerable you are going to be. Why? Because you are going to be making money for your brokers, meaning that if you fund any money in your real account, you are probably going to lose it. Yeah, because you are vulnerable, and definitely they know that you are going to lose it. So when you go to the highest one and choose this one, if you deposit any amount, there's no possibility that you're going to trade out or make a huge profit from that money. You may make a huge profit and still lose it along the same line. So that's the reason why you have to go for 1 to 50, because 1 to 50 is the one I use. Okay, and I'm seeing a lot of results using this one. You can still go as far as using the lowest one if you're making use of smaller accounts. So this will help you go far as well. So the reason why I'm sharing this secret to everybody out there is because 2024 is fast approaching, and I want everybody, I mean all traders, to be in profit. So that is why I want everybody to grow. And if you want to grow as well, do follow me right here, and I'm going to be dropping more educational content for you. And catch you again. Keep the ocean peeping. Don't forget to keep learning. Everything will be fine. I trust you. Love you.